It's the most wonderful time of the year as Christmas slowly slays its way in. Handa na ba yung Christmas pera mo? Hey guys, CJ here of Yugatech, and if you're looking for the latest smartphones under 15K, this video has got you covered. So buckle up as we start this rundown for Q4 2023 smartphones under 15K. Starting off this list is the Nokia G42 5G, the most affordable one here. It features a 6.56-inch HD Plus panel with a 90Hz refresh rate and is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 480+. The G42 5G also has Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, 6GB of RAM, and 128GB of storage. It comes with a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main, 2MP depth, and a 2MP macro with an 8MP sensor for selfies in the front. What's keeping the device running is a 5000mAh battery, but only features 20W wired charging. Nokia's implemented the quick fix design, which means users can do simple repairs and replace the battery themselves. Pretty neat if you're someone who cares about the right to repair with the devices you own. The Nokia G42 5G costs 11,242 pesos through Nokia's cross-border store in Shopee. Next up is the Realme 11 with a large circle camera island. It's got a neat matte textured finish design made out of polycarbonate materials, so you don't need to worry about any fingerprints here. Those who love to take photos with their smartphones would love this device as it uses a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 108MP main, which is the highest in this list, paired up with a 2MP monochrome sensor and a 16MP selfie camera. The Realme 11 has a 6.4-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Glass protecting it. It's powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset paired with 8GB of RAM that can be extended up to 16GB of RAM through extended memory and 256GB of internal storage. For the battery, it has a 5000mAh cell with support for 67W fast charging. The Realme 11 is priced at 13,999 pesos. The Infinix Note 30 VIP Racing Edition is the next device in our list, with a 3D lightning leather back and a sleek design. It's got a 6.67-inch FHD Plus AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. What's powering it is a MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset with 256GB of internal storage and a whopping 8GB of RAM that can be extended up to 21GB through dynamic RAM extension. The Note 30 VIP comes with a triple rear camera setup with 108MP as its main, 12MP ultra-wide, and 2MP macro with a 32MP front-facing camera. It runs on a 5000mAh battery with 68W wired fast charging. For the Racing Edition, it also comes with its own true wireless earbuds and a BMW-themed 15W wireless charger. All of this for a price of 13,999 pesos, making it quite a catch. We're following it up with the Tecno Cam 20S Pro 5G. This unit has a 6.67-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate too. What's interesting is that it packs a MediaTek Dimensity 8020 processor, which is a steal for this price. It also has a 256GB of internal memory and a total of 16GB of RAM, 8GB for existing RAM, and 8GB for extended memory. The Cam 20S Pro has a 64MP OIS main camera, 2MP depth, and a 2MP macro with a 32MP selfie shooter up front. Like its older brother launched back in June, which is the Tecno Cam 20 Pro without the S, it has a 5000mAh battery with 33W fast charging. The Tecno Cam 20S Pro 5G is currently priced at 4,999 pesos. Ever wanted to own a rugged smartphone? Well, last but not the least is the DJI S Mini, a small but rugged device that's able to fit in your palm. Its design features a 4.5-inch QHD Plus IPS TFT display, while being powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 processor. It comes with 8GB of RAM that can go up to 15GB of RAM through extended memory, while having 256GB of internal storage. The dual rear camera setup features a 50MP main and 2MP macro, while having an 8MP front camera. The S Mini has a 3000mAh battery and supports 18W charging. And I have to mention how well protected this device is. It has an IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD 810H certifications. So even if you drop the device, or even if it goes through water, sand, humidity, and the like, this little guy will be A-okay. The DJI S Mini has an SRP price of 13,999 pesos. I should note that all of these prices are the SRP tags of the devices when they are released. So there may be changes over time or through sales and discounts. So keep your eyes peeled for that. And that's a wrap for this list. Did they miss anything out, or are you eyeing any one of these? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And make sure to visit yogatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been CJ, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! Bye-bye! Again, 15K, smartphone, Q4. Ah! Kung hindi ka gumana, lintik. Yan nga eh. Gumana ka na!